I check the refrigerator. I check the refrigerator. I choose an apple. I choose an apple. I pick some grapes. I pick some grapes. I rinse some strawberries. I rinse some strawberries. I dry the fruit. I fill the kettle with water. I fill the kettle with water. I press the kettle button. I press the kettle button. I wait for the water to boil. I wait for the water to boil. I open a cereal box. I open a cereal box. I pour cereal into a bowl. I pour cereal into a bowl. I add some milk. I add some milk. I sprinkle some sugar. I sprinkle some sugar. I taste the cereal. I taste the cereal. I open a jar of jam. I open a jar of jam. I spread jam on the bread. I spread jam on the bread. I squeeze an orange. I squeeze an orange.
I pour fresh orange juice into a glass. I pour fresh orange juice into a glass.
I add ice cubes. I add ice cubes. I stir my drink. I stir my drink. I pack my lunch. I pack my lunch. I close the lunchbox. I close the lunchbox. Learn English with Thai. Learn English with Thai.